How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat. Now, after you open your Snapchat, you can just swipe on your right and then you will see your location here. Now, this is the map. If you don't find it that way, you can simply go to your profile section on the top right and scroll down till you see the share location option. Tap on it and you'll be on your maps. So this is Snapchat maps and you can find people nearby here. Just go near your location wherever you live and then just look around and you should be able to see new people and new friends that you can make. If you find someone, you can simply tap on this plus option on the bottom right and you can open their profile and then simply add them. And that is basically how you find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.